Okay, my lovely people, I'm just showing you some live trading and demo trading. Let's just quickly look at the live trading first of all. 4Ls, number one, number two, number three, know your numbers. I'm now coming on four corners. I know exactly what's going on with these trades. By the way, this is a demo account. So I know exactly what's going on here with all these trades. Basically, my number three allowed me to be very aggressive. I got 10,000. And I wanted to be very aggressive with my PBSing. And so I'm taking a variety of trades. I've got robot setups here. There's a few trades that I've done myself. Okay, so I've done some manual trades as well. And then we've got some semi-auto trade setups. Basically, every time that goes either red or green, I just press the down button. So basically, a lot of buys coming in because the buy setups have been coming in, which gives me a clue as to what is happening with the market. So I'll give you an understanding. So basically, we've done the four corners. Robots are running. We know what's going on. We know it's in a demo, and we know everything that's happening. Setup. I'm happy to just work with the setup right now. Okay, just leave it as it is. Okay, nothing really additional to adjust or anything, and according to my number three numbers. All right, so that's that. Now, trend relative price. The trend, I anticipate the trend is going back up. Overall direction of the trend on Bitcoin is up. All right. Temporary, it's been going down, as you can clearly see 1 week daily. Now, because I'm actually coming in with a very aggressive approach to trading, then I'm just looking for immediate direction. And based on this, it's telling me where the direction is overall. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is been going up for a little while. So we've been aggressive on that. So that's why we've been taking these trades. We're waiting for it to pop. What do we mean by pop? Well, basically, there isn't a resistance area. Okay, so there's a resistance area around here. And when it pops, it tends to just fly and go where it needs to go. So if you're not in the trade already, you kind of miss the opportunity. That's what we mean by being very aggressive. This is not for amateurs. No beginner should be doing trades like this. Not even advanced traders, pro traders. This is master trader level. Okay, for you to be even thinking about this kind of trading, you got to be at master trader level where all you're caring about really is, can you handle the loss? That's it. Bottom line, can you handle the loss? And are you following your plan? Yeah, strict plan, regardless of how conservative the plan is or how aggressive the plan is. The bottom line is you come up with a plan and you come in and you execute it, and that's it. So that's that. Leave that alone now. That's doing what it's going to do. It's either going to win or it's not going to win. So we're done with that. Now we're going to come over to our live account. So we come over to the live account and you can clearly see that we've got a very, 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 very aggressive approach. Now the aggression didn't start. We did not start aggressive. Okay, we've been scaling in, scaling in, scaling in. Now we've reached peak. So now we've reached the peak of the trade. The trade is either going to win or it's going to lose. You can see free margin is completely exhausted. There is no way that I could even think about taking any trades. The trades have been accumulated through aggression and build up. Okay, so we've been scaling in exactly the same thing. Four corners have been done. We know why every trade is on, and that's the most important thing. We also know that we are connected, the robots are running, and we also doing a combination of semi-automatic trades here. And is there any manual trades? Yeah, there's a couple of manual trades here as well. Okay, so that's that. We know exactly what's happening. Now with this trade, because it's scaled right in now, that's it. The trade is completely done now. One of two things is going to happen. I'm either going to win the trade or lose the trade. If we win the trade, then we're going to have a healthy balance. If we lose the trade, then we've lost the account. That's it. Okay, but we're aware of that. And remember, if you want to win big, you have to play big. If you want to win small, then you play small. So that's basically it. Now, it'd be interesting to see how this trade pans out. Okay, it would be very, very interesting to see how it pans out. So the strategy is based on the 30 minutes. The 30 minutes is lined up for a buy. So the strategy is that we're holding out on this. We're hoping that the 30-minute time frame can hold out. Okay, so the 30-minute is going where it's supposed to go. So is the 15-minute. Okay, where we're having challenges is on this 5 minutes, which is reflected over here. We can see that the 5 minute is pulling back. So what we're hoping is that the 5 minute will pull back, come across the brick wall of the 30 minutes and take it up. As I said, I'm well positioned for this. If this is the case, this is the protection here, well positioned. If we're not right, we're at the trade. It's as simple as that. So not for, once again, not for beginners, not for intermediate traders, and certainly not for advanced traders. The only people that should even be considering even watching this video is pro traders, between pro traders and those who want to transition from pro to master trader. They're the only people that really should be looking at this particular video. Another thing is there is nothing on here. It's it's a pink elephant, which I've made note of for the developers, basically, is when you remove, we'll come over here. When you remove the dashboard, there was a temporary dashboard here, indicator dashboard, removed it, but yet it's still keeping remnants. So I've made note of that for the developers to look into. But apart from that, nothing more for me to journal. Everything's going according to plan, believe it or not. I mean, it would be nice if if we put on a trade and it just did what we wanted to do straight away, but that's not realistic. So it is set up. Trade has been executed. And as I said, it's been scaled up. There's no more scaling in. The only way that I can consider, you know, getting involved in this trade anymore is if I was to put any more powder in. Okay. And at the moment, that's not going to be an option. So we're very, very tight on the margin right there. Okay. So it is a win or lose trade basically at this stage here. Okay. So you'd either put more powder in, or you would reduce the trades that you have on. Now, if you reduce the trades, then you're going against your trading plan. Okay, putting more powder in is an option. However, I'm not going to do that. Okay, whatever happens here in this part of the trade happens. All right, so I'm looking forward to feedback on this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, by the way, if you're interested in the dashboards or any of our easy trading system indicators, coaching, anything like that, we do only accept crypto mint tokens.